Momshi Grace, thank you for including me. But anyway, happy birthday. More blessings to you at sa iyong channel. At, you know, basta laban-laban lang tayo. Enjoy. And be safe. And I wish you all the best. Pati pamilya mo. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Bye.
Please to see Grace. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. God bless all your family. I hope you have a very nice celebration ahead. Have a wonderful rest of the future and life. Hopefully things are getting better where you're at. God bless always. I hope you have a nice celebration. Happy birthday again, Sissy.
Hello guys! Sivana Vlogs here. So, gusto ko lang batiin yung napakaganda kong ladybug, si Momshi Grace. Ayan, Momshi Grace. Happy birthday to you, ganda. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, ganda. Happy birthday to you, ganda. Wishing you all the best in life. I know you have everything and you're happy. So, wishing you good health. Yan. That's the most important. Good health. Kasama yung mga loved ones mo. Salamat, ganda, sa friendship natin at sa ladybugs, you know. Salamat sa lahat ng binigay mo sa amin. At salamat sa suporta. Salamat sa lahat, ganda. Ayan. I hope you still, I hope you happy on your birthday, and I love you. Yan, I love you, ganda. God bless you and your family, and that's all. So, bye-bye.
Hi, it's me, Riza. At nandito ako kasi babatiin ko si Momshi Grace ng happy birthday, Momshi Grace Journal. So, yung wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging mabait ka pa lalo, at sana maging maganda ka pa ng lalo, at sana magiging sexy ka pa lalo. Thank you kasi naging part ako sa family niyo. I mean, thank you kasi naging part ako ng Ladybug. Shout out Ladybugs, I love you. Shout out Ate Milk in the Island, Haru, Ate Sivana Vlog, and Ate Charam, and yung founder namin, which is yung nagbe-birthday ngayon, Momshi Grace. I love you, thank you so much, and happy birthday sa'yo. So, may kanta ako. I mean, may kinunan ako na video, yung cake. At kaya ko kinunan yung cake kasi ikaw na po yung imagine mo na lang na may kandila na, 'di ba? May kandila na. So imaginein mo na lang na yung kandila, ikaw na yung magla-light ng kandila at mag-blow ka na rin. Kahit video lang yan, i-blow mo pa rin, ha?
Happy birthday.
So thank you and happy birthday to you. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-greet, pero happy birthday, and enjoy your day, and yun lang, happy birthday, and God bless you more, and stay healthy, fit, and sexy. Ano ba? Yun lang. Thank you so much. Bye guys! This is me, Marimar. Bye! Happy birthday, Ate Grace. Shout out sa mga nanonood sa Katahusan. Hello! Bye-bye!
Hello, Ate Ganda! Happy birthday! Dahil birthday mo ngayon, kakantahan kita ng happy birthday! Ayan. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ayan. Ang wish ko sa iyo, Ate Ganda, ay good health always, more birthday to come, and more birthday to come, and God bless, and always pretty like me. Shout out. Hindi. And sana happy love life and more blessings. Ayan. Enjoy your birthday, Ate Ganda. Soon to be Ninang. Ayan. Ayan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, Ate Ganda. Love, love. Mwah.
Hello, Grace! Binabati kita sa iyong maligayang karawan at dalangin ko na yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay mataasan mo pa. At dalangin ko rin na ang maging malusog ka at ang iyong pamilya, maligayang karawan sa iyo. At God bless you and I love you! Coming from Ate Jane. Hi! Hello, Grace! Binabati kita ng happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo ay umano pa yung ano mo, yung YouTube mo, lumawak pa ng lumawak, umani ng silver, gold, tsaka basta wish ko sa'yo lahat, maabot mo yung inaabot ng iba sa YouTube. Wish ko yan. Yun lang. Happy birthday again. And God bless you.
Grace, o tanjobi may dato. Happy birthday. God bless you. Seiji mama, o tanjobi may dato. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! More birthday to come!